Hey, I'm just saying this, but this is my fault. I failed you. This is my fault. Now I will never see. This is my fault. And I will never see. No, this is all my fault. I will never know anything. I will lose the thing I lost. I love. Even my family. One day, I will lose them all. It's gonna be my fault. If I wasn't there, you could have been fine. Instead, no. This is all my fault. Why I done this? This is gonna be my fault. Now, no, you know what I see. I failed you. Now, I will never see what I love. This is all my fault. Now, this is my fault. Now, I will never learn anything. I'm just a failure. I'm weak. I can hear it. What you're saying. This is all my fault. This is all my fault. Now, I hear disappointment. I'm sorry. What I done. This is all my fault. Now, you know the truth. What I always wanted to say in the video. And this is all I did. I will never pass. And I'm a failure. This is all my fault. Now, this is what I feel every time I failed. This is my fault. And I know it's my fault. And I'm sending this now. And goodbye. See ya.